up, guys? We're back with another video. We're going to the spot that was in the last video, like that hilly area. Sorry if my voice doesn't sound good here. It's like pretty bumpy. But yeah, I have a shovel with me and we're gonna hopefully build a few decent jumps. I think a few of my friends are already at the spot, but we'll meet them there right now. We just have to like cross this road and then go that way, and then we're basically there. Oh man, we probably gotta fix this up if we're gonna be going through here a lot. Tires are gonna pop or something. Oh man, why do I have a stick in my bike? I don't know how to hold this shovel, bro. Alright, let's cross. Shit. Come on, get to the middle. Oh, we can cross fully. Okay. Don't slip. Oh, something broke, I think. Oh my god, bro, what the hell is this? It's a big ass stick in my wheel. Alright, rust looks pretty good. So, let's continue on. We're almost there. Just like a little bit farther. But yeah, should hopefully be able to make a few jumps. Hopefully some decent ones. Oh, my friend on the YZ125, which you guys probably remember, wants to... I'll show you when we get there, but he wants to make this a lip on a jump that has no landing. So he's gonna go like to the moon, basically. But I'm gonna get back to you guys when I get there. Alright guys, just riding around here for a bit. It's like a little bit of a track, I guess you could say. Not really. It's like a little fun area though. This is a huge booter. Oh, yeah, we're good. And this is the jump I was talking about to you guys earlier that my friend wants to make a lip on and go. He lands like right there already, so he'd go like insanely high. But yeah, it's just a little fun to rip around here. Oh, and then go this way through here. Just pin it. Get a little air there. GoPro's not, I mean, my Insta360 is not doing this justice, but I mean, I'm not getting a ton of air. So it's like, whatever, I guess. Alright. Sadly, I think it's gonna start raining soon though, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to stay here for long. It's fine. We'll just head back to our area. Got my friend on the CR80, my friend Will on the TTR, and another one of my friends on another TTR 125. Both of those bikes are the kid wearing the white helmets bikes. Oh, they might be planning to leave now. That kind of sucks, but whatever. Alright, throw up a quick wheelie. Actually, I gotta get my bag. Alright, whatever. Hopefully they wait for me. If not, do not really care. Alright, we're back, guys. Got my friend on the YZ125 and my friend on the TTR125. See if he does this hill climb. Come on! Bro, why is he being a pussy? It's not that hard, bro. Oh. Okay, they're going over there, I guess. Just gonna be riding around here probably, just in case it rains. Hopefully it doesn't. I don't know for sure if it will though. Oh man. Bro, he's landing a complete flat. Some kids playing basketball here though. Alright, let's hit this jump for a bit. This one's pretty fun. Yesterday when I came here, the run up was like all slippery right here. It's a little slippery, but not as bad as yesterday. Well, it's completely flat. Yo! Yo! Bro!
I did, I hit the jump.
This one. Oh my god, bro, what the hell? What's up, bro?
Hello. Hey, I'm gonna hit that jump over there and get air. Hey, watch it.
Bro, you landed so flat.
Really?
You sent it so hard.
I gotta get back in there.
Wow. More! Oh, maybe not more. Bro, who been tearing up the grass here? Ah, no. I don't know where the steepest part is. Oh, a little bit of air. Right there. Yeah, not too much air. It's pretty muddy also. Oh, bro, I see bounced in a wheelie. Thought I was gonna eat it there. Nah, we chilling. Guys, we got a few more people. I'm riding my buddy Zach's YZ. Oh shoot. His YZ125. And there's a kid, I don't know where they went, but they're around here on a Talaria MX4 and that one YZ450. It's starting to rain. Yo, it's starting to rain. Yo, it's starting to rain. Alright, I didn't record a bit earlier, but it's a little later. Probably gonna wrap up the video here soon. But oh man, I almost slid out earlier. Right now. Holy bro. Little off-road wheelie. I suck at off-road wheelies, bro. I cannot do them. Was packing my stoppies a little bit earlier too. Off of like a speed bump. Oh. My front fender hitting my tire. Might give my bike a little bit of a rinse down when I get back home. But yeah, I didn't record earlier. Actually, no, I think I did. With the 450. I don't know. Maybe I did. You guys will see it. You guys will see if I did or not. But yeah. Thank you guys all for watching. And stay tuned for next one. Goodbye.